What's going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse engineer your YouTube channel to get more views. In this video, you'll learn about finding keywords that fit your channel, how your channel can thrive off those keywords, and what this reverse engineering strategy is all about.
That's good.
Alright guys, so I want to talk about how to find keywords that actually fit your YouTube channel. How do you just come up with those, okay? Right now, as you can see on my screen, I have TubeBuddy's Keyword Research Explorer open. This is how we can find different keywords and tags for our YouTube videos that people actually are searching for, right? So this one, Logo Animation Premiere Pro 2020, someone's searching for it and there's no competition. So it's an excellent keyword to use, and it's an excellent video topic to have so that you can saturate that open market. So with that idea helping us out, let's try and find some keywords for your channel, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my notepad because this is an exercise that all of you should consider doing. All right, so I'm just gonna put it over here. We're gonna come up with 20 seed keywords. This is the very beginning of my growth blueprint, teaching people how to reverse engineer their YouTube channel to get more views. And I'm going to share it with you guys right now because it's so successful. So many people use this that I know specifically, and they always are growing every single upload. They never have an upload that just gets no views, okay? So we're going to start off the very first step of that strategy by coming up with 20 seed keywords, okay? These will all just come off the top of our heads that we think accurately represent our channel. So I'm gonna pick out 20 seed keywords that represent a health and fitness, like health and wellness, holistic health coach, and personal trainer type channel, okay? Alright guys, so I've come up with these keywords, and all I need to do is input them into our keyword research tool, and we're going to see what kind of results we get. Now, I want to talk about how our videos can thrive off of using keywords, and we have our 20 seed keywords here, but we're not really going to get all the information we need from TubeBuddy's tool. We're actually going to get it from vidIQ's. So let's go ahead and go to vidIQ.com. Okay, let's go ahead and create a new account. So we're going to Sam at ParEdits.com, type in your password, sign up for free. Okay, so let's create this account. And once we're in, it is going to ask us to authenticate with YouTube. So we're going to authenticate it. Just allow it to use our YouTube channel. Okay, so now that it's initializing, it welcomes us. We're just gonna go ahead and click get started. We don't see any data because I don't have anything on this specific account. All right, so once you're in vidIQ, go ahead and click your account settings here. Then you wanna click on billing, and you'll see you can just upgrade to a pro account. So let's hit upgrade, but we're gonna get this for free, okay? We're just gonna do it for the first month. So let's type in VidCon or VidSummit. I've used this in the past. So if you do VidSummit, it will do 100% off for the first month. You'll go ahead and type in your card, and you'll wanna make sure you set a reminder to cancel the payment. Now, you can always just cancel it right away, right after you do it, and you get it for the rest of the billing period. They might have changed that, but you'll just have to make sure you handle the cancellation of it. So once you've unlocked Boost, you'll want to click on this SEO tab, the magnifying glass, click on keyword research as it pulls up automatically for me, and let's just type in our keywords that we came up with on the right hand side here. So we got fitness, and when we look up fitness, we get a few keywords here, but it says want to see 155 more keywords related to this search? Upgrade to Pro today. Now, I don't have this account upgraded to Pro, but you do because you got it for free. Always remember to cancel that plan too, so you don't get charged 10 bucks, because you could totally use this for free. And then you'll get a ton of keywords here. So when you have all 155 keywords related to fitness, you'll want to copy all of them along with their scores and all this information listed here. Copy all of them, throw it into a spreadsheet, and do it over and over and over for each one of these 20 keywords. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna sort by overall score and remove all the ones that are below like a 70. Okay, so we got like 40s here, but hidden inside, there's much higher score for fitness. This is a strategy that has worked for the biggest YouTube channels out there. I have friends and colleagues that run these YouTube channels that use this strategy, and they grow Nike, they grow Disney, they grow all these different giant YouTube channels through this keyword research strategy. Now, I really want to demo this for you, and I can do that if you check out my growth blueprint, which I've linked down below. It talks about how to reverse engineer your YouTube channel to get more views. So go ahead and click that link down below. I'm gonna explain more of it in depth, so stay tuned and I will see you there. All right guys, so I want to talk about how to reverse engineer your YouTube channel to get more views. Now, I have this landing page set up. It's actually kind of works like a PowerPoint presentation. So I want to show you guys what goes into this and how you can benefit from it. So if you're struggling to grow your brand's YouTube channel, this blueprint is definitely for you. Now, I want you guys to know that 70% of what people watch on YouTube is determined by its recommendation algorithm. So that means that any video that shows up in the suggested video side, like on that right-hand column, is supported by keyword research. And keyword research is the science of audience. It just tells you what people are looking for. So why not fulfill your videos with the right tags so people can find it? And once people are finding it and it's ranking in the search, then it will start popping up in the suggested video category, which is exactly where you want to be. That's the highway to growth on YouTube. So as we keep scrolling, there's more about me, but we can talk about that later. I just want to show you this blueprint, okay? We're going to get keyword optimized channel and videos. We're going to reverse engineer your channel with creative strategies, and you're going to have exponential channel growth. Now, as I keep scrolling down, you'll see the price tag here. Don't worry about that right this second. I want to talk about what's going to happen exactly. So we got 5 steps. We got collect, sweep, discover, sort, and execute. Okay, collect is getting the 20 keywords that we collected in the previous video. We just want to find the right ones for us. So that's when we enter all of those keywords into vidIQ. We get about thousands of keywords, and then that leads us to the next step, which is sweep. Okay, so sweep talks about removing the keyword clutter. Okay, so we take all those thousands of keywords that we have and we remove everything below the score of 70. Okay, because none of those are really gonna pop out for us. They're not going to help us grow. Which leads us to discover. So once we have those top keywords that are 70 and above, then we're going to analyze the keywords that are like niches for us. So if we're talking about fitness and there's a lot of keywords that hit on body dysmorphia and body image tied in with depression, we're going to make sure we identify those using playlists and we kind of group them together. So after discover, we're sorting, and that's where we're going to identify our top niches. So we're going to rank them from top to bottom and see what the best niches and playlists are going to be and how well they're going to perform on YouTube. And then last but not least, we're going to execute. And when we execute, that is when we actually import our tags, create a keyword-rich description, a keyword-rich title, and make sure that we have subtitles uploaded as well. There's some transcription softwares that I can recommend. Just leave them in the comments down below if you need one, because those absolutely help optimize your SEO on YouTube and get you ranked. So this blueprint not only helps you get your videos out there because people will find them on YouTube, but it's also a downloadable, and I also offer a walkthrough course to be there right by your side as you're going through your keyword research, and I will help you one-on-one whenever you need it to grow your channel and help you spread your message to everyone who needs to hear it, because that's what I care about most. So you can find the link to this page at ParEdits.com/reverse-engineer-YT for YouTube. And you can also get the link in the description down below. So thanks for listening to me, guys. I know this was a sales pitch, and I'm very aware. I'm sharing this with you guys because I just want to see growth. I want to help you guys grow. And if I can help you guys grow, I figure you might be able to help me grow too, because because I really love doing what I'm doing, and I really love working with people just like you. And if I can connect with you, even if you don't want to buy this, I will still help you through your keyword research journey. So just please reach out to me, sam@ParEdits.com, or you can go to ParEdits.com/helpline, schedule a call with me. We can talk all about it. Guys, this will transform the way you approach any video idea. Keyword research is the science of audience. So what that says is, if you have a video idea, why don't you check if people are looking for it? Because if they are, you can absolutely fulfill it, okay? And you can't just fulfill it with one keyword. You need more keywords. And that's what this blueprint is for. It helps you refine all the keywords necessary, all the tail end keywords, the long ones, even the short ones. It lets you know what's important to making a video grow. And with so many videos, all well keyword researched, you're going to have a channel that is just exploding with such a fantastic brand, and there's so many people that will start reaching out to you, especially if you have something to offer. So with that, we talked about keywords, and how they can help grow your channel. Hope you guys learned a lot about the tools that I went over, and yeah. Please look into more details on this. You can just hit this button. You'll see how to complete your purchase, and it'll be sent to you as a downloadable PDF. It's about 15 pages. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, so this tutorial is from a full course on Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to ParEdits.com/Premiere Pro or click the link in the description down below.